And lastly, a little self-reflection on what I've learned from this project and how I can apply my learnings from this project as a future healthcare manager or leader. From this project, I've learned about how important trust is within organizations and how mistrust can lead to inefficiency in the workplace. The concepts discussed throughout the course provided me with a better understanding of how sensitive and complex trust factors are within the culture of an organization. For instance, if miscommunication, dishonesty, and unreliability are allowed to exist in the workplace, then mistrust is likely to occur. Trust issues can manifest from both internal and external influencer factors. If organizations want to initiate any type of change, resistance is likely to occur if trust is lacking. I've learned from this course how to better manage employee resistance to change, and part of managing it stems from the development of an adequate change action plan. It is important for organizational leaders to understand the potential barriers to change and assess their employees on their readiness to accept that change. Doing so means developing an action plan that is both measurable and tangible for all parties involved. The more employee buy-in and open forms of communication will allow for a more successful organizational change to occur. As an aspiring healthcare leader, I'm more confident in my understanding for how important of a factor communication is for promoting trust within an organization. Knowing the steps and action plans needed to influence a better working environment where employees trust their leaders and can be more accepting of change when it occurs. Thanks.